In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash a check or money order using the PayPal app. This can be a convenient way to manage your funds without needing to visit a bank or an ATM. Now, to begin this process, you'll need your smartphone and the PayPal app installed and logged into your account. Once you've got everything ready, it's quite a straightforward task. So let's dive right in. Start by opening the PayPal app on your smartphone. You should see the home screen displaying various options. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice several icons. Here you want to tap on the wallet icon. This icon is essential because it gives you direct access to your cash balance. It's important to have access to this because it allows you to manage and view the funds you currently have in your account. After tapping on the wallet icon, you'll want to find and tap on the PayPal balance option. This section will provide you with a detailed view of your cash balance, which is crucial before initiating any transactions like cashing checks or money orders. This step ensures you're aware of your current financial status within the app, letting you make more informed decisions about your transactions. Next, we'll move on to checking your recent transactions. For this, simply click on the Activity tab within your PayPal app. This feature is very helpful because it keeps a record of all your past transactions, including any checks or money orders that have been cashed. Having an overview of your transaction history is essential as it allows you to track your monetary activities, identify any discrepancies, and ensure all your transactions are accounted for. It's also worth noting that when cashing a check or money order via the app, PayPal might require you to provide some verifications. This could include taking photos of the document you're depositing and possibly even confirming personal information for security purposes. Make sure your documents are clearly visible when taking any necessary photos, as blurry or illegible images may delay the cashing process. In summary, using the PayPal app to cash a check or money order is a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. With just a few taps, checking your balance under the wallet section, reviewing your PayPal balance, and exploring your transaction history and activity, you'll have a good command over your finances right from your smartphone. I hope this guide simplifies the process for you and enhances your experience with PayPal. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might benefit as well. Have a great day.